What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on NIO because this stock right now broke this previous triangle that I showed you in my last analysis, and right now there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test this bearish order block. So if you are interested about the exact setups that I'm watching right now, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before this video continues, I want to say that I just create my Discord group where I'm sharing everyday analysis on the stocks that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, it's completely free and link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I am revealing everyday important stocks that I'm currently watching. So yeah, if you are interested in that, definitely use that link in the description. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. As I said in the intro, right now I think there is pretty high probability that we are about to test this area, which right now is the main support. This order block is between levels 5.87 and 5.70, and this setup I already shared in my Discord trading group, so if you are not there, I highly recommend you to join. Link to join is in the description. But the main setup that I'm currently waiting for will be valid in case of a breakdown, fake out, and then a support confirmation in this area. Stop loss, in this case, you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. And the last take profit target, you should probably place under this current high, which will give you a trade with potential risk to reward like 8.26 and let's say potential profit around 33% of a net market. In a trade like this, you really want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under that $6 mark, which is historically an important resistance, for example, from here and here. Then some of the profits under the area 6.42 and 6.28, because this will be next important resistance. Then under this bearish order block, which is between level 6.84 and 6.73. Then under this bearish order block, which is between levels 7.23 and 7.15. And then you should save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio from 8.3 will be like 5.5, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this one. But I need to repeat that I am not gonna open here a long trade once we will test this bullish order block, but as I said, I am waiting here for a liquidity grab because I want to see here a liquidity grab under like all of these previous important lows, because there will be many stop losses from the traders that were opening some long position in these areas. So I just want to see the liquidity grab, then a support confirmation, and if we will see here a support confirmation, then there is gonna be a fuel for another big pump up. If you like those analysis and you want to copy my exact trade, so you want to get access to my long-term stock portfolio, mid-term stock portfolio, and also the short-term trades that I'm doing, then definitely check out my Patreon, where you can get access to my VIP trading group. And right now you can try it for 7 days for completely free. So there is absolutely zero risk for you. So if you want to check it out, link to join is in the description. Another area that you can currently watch here is this bullish order block on the 4 hour chart this time. This area is between levels 5.37 and 5.00. So again, if you want to create here some long position on this time frame, then I want to see here a liquidity grab under like these previous lows, and after the support confirmation, the setup is quite similar like the previous one. Especially in this case, we will have here probably a bigger stop loss around, I think around like 7% of a net market, something like that. But in this case, you can actually aim with your last take profit target above this bearish order block, which is between levels 9.55 and 9.20. So me personally, I will probably place the last take profit target slightly under $10 mark, because this will be next important psychological resistance. This trade will give you a risk reward ratio up to 13.1, but again, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So with multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 9, 10, something like that. It will depend on how much profit you will take on each take profit level. But in the end, with a risk reward ratio and potential profit, this trade is probably better. But me personally, I don't think there is actually that high probability that we are gonna gonna test this area. I think there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test this bullish order block because this is like a first important support, but to this order block to be tested, there still needs to be a drop with a fake out around like 23%, and that's not something that I'm expecting on this stock right now. So yeah, I will be focusing on the 1 hour time frame trade mainly, but if there won't be that fake out, but there will be, for example, a resistance confirmation, and then we will test the order block on the 4-hour chart, then yeah, I will definitely take this trade. In the long time perspective, I mean on a daily time frame, you can see this stock is still slightly overbought, so that's also the main reason why I'm expecting that there is still a room for some drop. I know that from this high to this current level, we already did here a dump around like 20% of a net market, but I think that the RSI needs to go at least around like 65, something like that. So that's the main reason why I'm expecting that we are gonna go hit at least this bullish order block, or in case of a, let's say, huge dump, we are gonna test this bullish order block on a 4-hour chart. But yeah guys, also in the long time perspective, my view on this stock is still bullish, so I think it's only a matter of time until we will reach the $10 mark, which is my main take profit target. If I will be opening that long position on the 4-hour chart, you can like copy my exact setup that I showed you in this video. And yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. As I said, if you liked my analysis and you want to copy my exact trades, check out my Patreon. Right now you can try it for 7 days for completely free, so there is absolutely zero risk. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. See ya.